There were three gypsies that come to my door, and downstairs ran this lady, oh. One sang high and another sang low, and the other sang Bonnie Bonnie Biscay, oh. Then she pulled off her silk finished gown and put on hose of leather, oh. The ragged rags about our door, she's gone with the Wraggle Taggle Gypsies, oh. It was late last night when my lord came home, inquiring for his lady, oh. The servants said on every hand, she's gone with the Wraggle Taggle Gypsies, oh. Oh, saddle to me my milk-white steed, go and fetch me pony, oh, that I may ride and seek my bride, who is gone with the Wraggle Taggle Gypsies, oh. He rode through woods and copses too, until he came to an open field, and there he espied his lady, oh. What makes you leave your house and land? What makes you leave your money, oh? What makes you leave your new wedded lord to go with the Wraggle Taggle Gypsies, oh? What care I for my house and my land? What care I for my money, oh? What care I for my new wedded lord? I'm off with the Wraggle Taggle Gypsies, oh. Last night you slept on a goose-feather bed with a sheet turned down so bravely, oh. And tonight you'll sleep in a cold open field along with the Wraggle Taggle Gypsies, oh. What care I for a goose-feather bed with a sheet turned down so bravely, oh. For tonight I shall sleep in a cold open field along with the Wraggle Taggle Gypsies, oh. And they danced a reel by the pale moonlight, with the pipes and the tambour proudly, oh. And the lady laughed with the wild gypsy band as they played the tune so gaily, oh. Oh, she left her house and her soft feather bed and the silks that rustled bravely, oh, for a brand new life on the wandering road, away with the Wraggle Taggle Gypsies, oh.